So what's going on here, Grandad? What are you doing? Got a selfie stick stuck to the back of a what's this one? Oh, it's a Subaru, isn't it? WRX with a camera inside it. Doors open. What's the story? Well, my grandson brought this and said, could I fix it? Well, a bit of a problem. This chassis tray doesn't match the car. It's not even vaguely close. It's the wrong one entirely. This one obviously had a little pullback motor on it at some time, but there's no back axle anyway. And this one, you can see the body shell has been broken off the plastic tray here and here. Interesting to see how the doors are hinged. There's a little spring there, but we can't tell you where this one came from or who it's made by because we haven't got the plastic under tray. So I thought, well, for a bit of fun, we'll stick my little mini camera in there and we'll walk around the garden with it and see what we can see. This will all be completely out of focus because it's far too close to the camera, but it might look interesting. We'll see what happens when I play the video back.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.